So let's say you want to get to your annotation tools in a Zoom meeting. You've started your meeting, maybe people have joined, or you are looking at the chat. But to get to annotation, you have to share your screen first. When you hit share, it's going to get rid of everything. You can pick a screen if you have multiple. So I'm going to share my whole second screen. And it changes this to a floating toolbar. And it won't show that stuff above the entire time. You have to hover over that floating toolbar. And it still gives you those main options of muting, starting your video. You can do a new share or pause your share. And you can annotate. There's also the 3 button more. So if you want to bring your chat back up to see student chats, if you want to record, there's lots of other options in those 3 buttons. But to get to annotation, you hit annotate and it brings up another toolbar that starts you on your draw feature. And you can draw anywhere on your screen. It doesn't even, I brought up a whiteboard, but I can draw over the top and say, here's the link. You know, I can point to stuff with the drawing. You can do and draw whatever you want. You can erase using the eraser, or you can just clear it all out if you want to start over again. You can change the color or the width of your lines using format. Now it'll be highlighted in blue, like right now I'm still on eraser. I have to go back to draw, and I can draw lines, I can draw shapes, I can draw with a pencil, or this looks more markery. You can even type in text and bring up text. Now, if you want to interact with your screen after you've brought up annotation tools, you have to hit the mouse button, and then I can actually click on stuff on the screen, like if I want to get a copy link to invite to a whiteboard. So annotation, if you want to get back to the mouse, you have to select mouse, and then back to draw, you have to select draw again. And if you want to select any of the items you've already drawn, you have to hit the select button. So you can allow people to annotate as well, so students could annotate if you wanted, or you could just limit it to only you drawing. And then if you again want to get rid of anything, you just clear out all the drawings and you're back to a clean page. But it can write over anything. You could have PowerPoint open, you could have Word open. It will draw on anything once you bring up those annotation tools. If you're done, you can click out, or there's even that little save button. If you want to save anything you've written, you can click save. But you can just click out, and now you're back to your regular Zoom meeting, and you can either stop the share or do whatever you need to for your next step. So that's how you use those annotation tools.